Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at how to clear data in the Maxthon browser on mobile. If your browser feels slow, pages are not loading correctly. First, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security to open Privacy Controls. Next, tap on Clear Data to open the Data Management screen. You will see a list of data types such as browsing history, cache, cookies, and saved files. Choose the types of data you want to remove based on your needs. Finally, tap on Clear Selected Data to confirm your choice. Then click on OK. Wait a few seconds while Maxthon removes the selected data from your device. Once it is done, your browser should feel cleaner and more responsive. Give the video a like, share it with others who use Maxthon, and thanks for watching.